Welcome to RoboBuzz, bringing you the future of robotics. UBTECH has just introduced one of the most advanced humanoid robots we've seen so far, the U1 series. Unlike most humanoid robots built primarily for factories, the U1 is designed to work alongside people in everyday environments. What makes it different is that UBTECH calls it an Ultra-Bionic humanoid robot. In simple terms, bionic means the robot is designed to move, balance, and interact much more like a human by closely mimicking human muscles, joints, and body mechanics. And that's important because our world is built for humans. Homes, hospitals, factories, and warehouses are all designed around the way people move and work. A bionic robot can fit into these environments, use the same tools, and perform many everyday tasks without requiring everything around it to be redesigned. The U1 series comes in 3 versions: U1 Lite, U1 Pro, and U1 Ultra, allowing customers to choose the right model for their needs. Pricing starts at approximately $17,000 in the US equivalent, making it one of the most affordable full-size bionic humanoid robots announced for mass production. The robot features a biomimetic spine and 88 degrees of freedom, giving it exceptional flexibility and human-like movement. It can walk, turn, bend, reach, and manipulate objects with impressive precision. UBTECH has also focused heavily on human interaction. The robot can display more than 20 emotional expressions, making conversations and collaboration feel more natural. Privacy is another major focus. The U1 stores sensitive information using local encrypted memory, helping protect user data instead of relying entirely on cloud services. Perhaps the biggest surprise is that this robot is already entering mass production. UBTECH says it has received more than 13,000 intended orders, making it one of the largest commercial launches of a full-size humanoid robot to date. This launch represents a major shift in robotics. Instead of machines that only work behind factory walls, we're beginning to see humanoid robots designed to assist people in businesses, public spaces, and eventually even our homes. The age of ultra-bionic humanoid robots may have just begun. Thanks for watching RoboBuzz. If you enjoy staying up to date with the latest breakthroughs in robotics and AI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.